Welcome to The Entertainer. My name is John Wright. Today we're going to check out a new 2026 Sea Ray 400 SLX outboard. Give you a little spec information on the boat first. The boat's a full 42 foot 2 inch overall. It has a beam of 12 foot 1 inch and a weight fully rigged of about 24,800 pounds. Beginning here on the transom, you see this boat is equipped with the Mercury 600 V12 Verados. The boat is currently in skyhook mode, so we're anchored by GPS. These are great motors, have great torque, good fit for this boat. Large swim platform, large sun pad. You have your beach door, so when the motors are off, you can lower this and it expands your deck space considerably. As you see, we also have the shade, the cockpit shade all the way deployed, so you have shade all the way back over the seat. This seat does a number of different functions, especially when you have the swim platform down. You can sit and face this way. When underway, you can push it back here. As you see, you have a large L-shaped configuration in the cockpit. This boat has the stone interior, and it also has the horizon hull side, so great combination color-wise. As you see, you have a large cockpit table as well. Over on the starboard side, you have your wet bar area. You have 2 Kenyon grills to complement 2 refrigerators down below. Cockpit sea deck all the way throughout. Large fiberglass hardtop with opening. As you can see, you have the lighting that is adjustable for colors, and you can control all the lighting here at the helm from the Simrad. So easy one touch, control everything on the boat. While we're at the helm, as mentioned, Mercury joystick piloting with skyhook, Mercury digital throttle, twin Simrad displays, very nice clean layout. You also have canvas enclosures that will enclose the bow area as well as the cockpit. Now we'll step down below and check out the cabin. And as you can see in the cabin, you have a V-berth that converts with a table as well. Samsung TV, soundbar, refrigerator, microwave. And in our mid-cabin area, you have a full berth as well. And also a very nice head compartment. Solid surface counters throughout, vessel bowl sink. Very functional. As we move up to the bow, this is the one thing Sea Ray does a great job with. They're vinyl for one, very good quality, very good design. Flip down armrest all the way around, wrapped grab handles, cup holders throughout. You also have a table that mounts in the bow, windlass all the way forward. We can't see that from this perspective, but you have windlass with controls. You do have a freshwater shower here at the bow as well, and spotlight. Well, again, my name is John Wright at MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. We'd be glad to show you this boat or any boat in inventory. Give us a call, 910-256-8100, and check us out on Facebook, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach.